students, welcome to my YouTube channel Bachcha Wala Maths. Today we'll do class 7 chapter 7, that is algebraic expressions. So this video will focus mainly on the introduction to algebraic expression. Okay, so you can see the first term, introduction to algebraic expression. The first is constant. What is a constant? Constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. Suppose if I write 2x square, so here 2 is constant, so it has a fixed value, and here the x, or if I write a, b, any alphabet, that is a variable that does not have any fixed value. Okay, so let's move. Next is term of expression. So what is the term of expression? Part of expression which are formed separately first and then added are known as term. Okay, I will give you an example, then you will understand. So they are added for expression. Okay, for example, suppose two terms 4x and 5 are added to form an expression, or it can be subtracted also. I can add one thing, that 2x plus 5, here this is a term and this is a term. If we join two terms with a plus or minus sign, it becomes an expression. Just to remember this. Okay, next, coefficient of a term. So what is the coefficient of a term? You see, the numerical factor of a term is called coefficient of a term. For example, 10 is the coefficient of 10xy. So if I tell you what is the numerical coefficient of 10xy, so here the numerical value is 10, so the numerical coefficient is 10. Okay, as you can see, then the algebraic pattern, these things I will cover in the next class. Okay, but let me move further. I can move further and show you. Yes, definition of variable. Okay, definition of variable, you can see variable. What is a variable? A variable is a quantity that is prone to change. I told you what is a fixed, what is a constant. Constant does not change. Yes, but variable are opposite of constant, that is it is prone to change with the context of situations. Yes, example, you can see we use different variable like a, like 2a, or 5x, or 9p, or any alphabet we use is a variable. Okay, then constant, as already told, constant, it is a quantity which has a fixed value. Okay, in the expression 5x plus 4, the variable here is x and constant is 4. Hope you all understood that what is a constant and variable. Okay, then the value 5x and 4 are also termed as expression. If I write 5x plus 4, then it becomes an expression. Or one more thing, remember that if I just write only 5x, that itself is an expression only. Yes, because a term also is, we can call an expression. Okay, then in terms of 5x comma 5 is called the coefficient of x. You can see here what is given in terms of 5x comma 5 is called the, in 5x, this term 5 is called the coefficient of x and the coefficient of the numerical factor of the term. Then hope you have understood. We'll do the next video in the next sums. Thank you. Do subscribe my channel.